Welcome back to our culinary adventure, where today we're diving into the world of nutrient-packed salads. If you're looking to elevate your meal game with fresh and healthy recipes that are as delicious as they are nutritious, then you're in the right place. Stay tuned because we have some exciting, easy-to-make salad recipes that will leave your taste buds dancing. Plus, we've got a romantic twist that'll make any meal feel special. Our first recipe is the Mediterranean Bliss Salad. This salad is a beautiful medley of colorful vegetables, protein-packed chickpeas, and tangy feta cheese, all tossed in a zesty lemon vinaigrette. Let's get started. First, we'll chop our tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, and olives. The vibrant colors alone are enough to brighten anyone's day. Next, we'll add our protein-packed chickpeas, perfect for a healthy, filling meal. Sprinkle the crumbled feta cheese and fresh parsley on top, then drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper, and give it a good toss. Voila! You've got a Mediterranean masterpiece that's not just good for you, but also a feast for the eyes. For our second recipe, we're making a Berry Nutty Spinach Salad. This salad combines the sweet and tangy flavors of fresh berries with the crunch of nuts and the nutrient-rich goodness of spinach. It's the perfect blend of vibrant ingredients that'll make your heart sing. For the Berry Nutty Spinach Salad, we will need 4 cups fresh spinach leaves, 1 cup strawberries, 1 cup blueberries, 1/4 cup walnuts, chopped 1/4 cup pecans, chopped 1/4 cup goat cheese, crumbled, and 3 tablespoons balsamic vinaigrette. Start by laying out the fresh spinach leaves as your base. Next, we're adding our juicy strawberries and blueberries. Not only do they add a burst of flavor, but they're also packed with antioxidants. Now for the crunch, sprinkle the chopped walnuts and pecans, which are great for heart health. Finish with a touch of creamy goat cheese and drizzle with balsamic vinaigrette. Toss everything together and you've got a salad that's as delicious as it is beautiful. Last but not least, we have our warm quinoa and avocado salad. This hearty and nutritious salad features warm quinoa, creamy avocado, and a delightful mix of vegetables, all brought together with a tangy lime dressing, perfect for a cozy night in. For the quinoa and avocado salad, we will need 1 cup quinoa, cooked and cooled slightly, 1 avocado diced, 1 red bell pepper diced, 1/2 cup corn kernels, fresh or frozen, 1/4 cup red onion, finely chopped, 1/4 cup cilantro, chopped, juice of 2 limes, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. We'll start by cooking the quinoa until it's fluffy and slightly cooled. Meanwhile, dice the avocado, red bell pepper, and red onion. Combine the quinoa, vegetables, and corn in a large bowl. Add the chopped cilantro, then drizzle with lime juice and olive oil. Season with salt and pepper, and give it a gentle toss. This warm, comforting salad is sure to become a favorite in your household. There you have it. 3 amazing nutrient-packed salads that are fresh, healthy, and bursting with flavor. Whether you're enjoying a meal with loved ones or just treating yourself, these recipes are sure to delight. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes. Here's to a happy